Traders, I'm looking at US oil. We have this gap through here, price gap. Mark it up. And this price swing on the daily, so that's our range high. That's our range high, our price swing to the low here, range low. All right, so this is our trading range at the moment. Equilibrium, if we pull the Fibonacci from high to low, is sitting right through this gap on the daily time frame. If this continues bearish, we've got a couple of targets and then ultimately these lows over here. Let's go down to a 4-hour time frame. Yeah, I would like to see this trade back up into this level here, into the gap, and then that'd be a target, and ultimately, that would be the second target. I would look to, if this sets up, look to take partial profits possibly, and then pull your stop loss to break even, something like that. So a short position only if we get the setup. So that's 2.3R down to that level. Short position only if we get price action trading up and then something like that. Sometimes this can deceive you. It trends up and we get the range and we see a little bit of volatility and we think this is going to continue. And I've seen this happening where it does a double or it does a bit of a dip down and then it follows through north. Okay, so you're going to have to watch that and you can get caught out. But ultimately, you just need to let this set up and follow that, retest and fail, and that's an idea. Anyway, guys, that's US oil. That's WTI. That's what I'm looking at the moment. I'd like to see that set up and give us a possible sell opportunity. So yeah, definitely comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. With that, I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and see you in the next video.